So we have created a folder in prog32. So here we're going to save our project. Open. Okay, then click on finish. So this will get the project ready. Maven will go to the Maven server and then grab the essential archetype for us. Once it is available, we can just go in and deploy it to our paera microserver and then run our Hello World application. So our archetype has successfully been downloaded. As you can see in the confirmation message, build success. Then we'll go to our project, Hello GEE8. Then we will go to the source packages, then then we are interested in this one. Have to check this also out. Uh, so don't worry about this because we're going to all of this extensively in our later discussion. Then let's just changes to hello world. Then let's try to look at our uh, this file. Now we have here, we have to check our dependencies. Okay. So this is the Maven file. This is what we have here. Everything is in place. Dependency Java EE8. The scope here is being provided. So meaning we are coding against API. It's from the Java EE API. So we are coding against interfaces that is provided by the application server, whose implementation will be provided by the application server. So we just grab the interface. So these are all from the Java API. Then the application server will be in charge of providing the implementation of the APIs we are using. Then, so that's why the code here is then provided. Java EE API and the version is 8. This is all we need in our project as a dependency to use Java EE8 or to develop our application using Java EE8, one dependency in our application. And the good thing is we are not mandated to use all of the APIs. We just choose whatever we want. As we can see in our Hello World, we have a plain Java object, some of the connotations. We have put our Hello World here. That's why we are interested here now to display Hello World. Now we're going to run our applications and deploy it in the Paera microserver. So we need to get Maven to get a web archive that will pick and deploy onto our Paera microserver. So we can easily tell NetBeans to do that for us. So now let's tell NetBeans to clean our project. This one, clean and build project. So NetBeans will clean and do some compilation and build our project for us. So the NetBeans IDE has built and cleaned the project for us. So now let's going to the project folder. So we have here the references and IntProg 32. And we have here our project folder here, and we are interested in this target folder in where we have here a war.war file here. So this is the web archive of our archive application, and this contains everything that we need our that we need for our Java to run. We have our API as a provided. So the container will make the APIs available for applications while we deploy it using the Java application server. So we are going to deploy this one to our Paera microserver. Now we are going to go to the terminal, SMD, and then we'll be going to locate the file, our Paera microserver. We just copy this one and put it here. So this is our Paera microserver. Then we'll just rename this one to PM for Paera micro. So it's easy for us to use or to call this Paera microserver. Then going to the terminal, we will be going to get this path. Okay, just copy and change the directory to the path on where our Paera microserver executable jar file is located. Then press enter. Or if it's not displayed as in this way, so we will look for alternative to be in this directory. Now so we are going to deploy our application into the Paera microserver. So we're just here, and then so we have already in this directory in the path of the Paera microserver. Now we're interested in deploying our Hello World application into our Paera microserver. So we are here in the target folder and copy the entire path and go to the command line. We'll just expand this. So we are going to call the Paera microserver and deploy our application. So we have here Java as jar pm dot jar, and we are going to deploy, and the command is deploy. Then sorry, Okay, so we have to repeat. Now we are going to run our file in or application in a Paera microserver, or we are going to deploy our application in the Paera microserver. So the code is java dash jar space pm dot jar. This is the name of our server. And to deploy, we have dash dash deploy. Then the path of the file or the application that we are going to deploy is this one. We'll just copy this one and Control V, and then so we have here already at the target. Then a target directory, the name of our project is hello dash j ee8. Let me check if that would be the correct file name. .war. Okay, .war, and then dash port 80. So we can optionally set the port, and we just explicitly use this 8080. So we're going to run the application or deploy the application using the Pyra microserver, then press enter. So we have started our deployment process. So we have here a lot of log messages here. So let's wait for the confirmation. Now we have here um, the confirmation message, and we have here the instance configuration, and the host is our name of the PC, then port is 8080, then the instance name, then the name of the application that is deployed in a Pyara microserver. We have hello dash JEE8, and the type is war. Then the path of the application that our application is hosted is hello dash JEE8, and the path of our application is shown here in hello dash JEE8 slash resources slash ping. So we have also here, then we will be going to the browser, then a localhost 8080 slash hello dash JEE8. Sorry. So we have to have the resources slash ping slash sorry, it must not be interchanged. Where do we get the directory? It's from the terminal. So we have here hello-je8 resources slash ping. So let us see if we can see the message, the hello world. Okay, we'll just press enter. And here we have our message. Enjoy hello world. So we have successfully our hello world with Java EE8 that is deployed in the Paera microserver. So this message is what we type in here. Okay. So this is our simple hello world application that is using the Maven archetype, doing some modification and deploy it in a Pyra microserver. So as you can see, we just did our Java jar and deploy it using the command line in the Pyra microserver.